Hey everyone! In this video I'll go over the seed stitch, one of the stitches from Crochet Every Way Stitch Dictionary by Dora Orenstein. The seed stitch is also known as the moss stitch or the linen stitch, and it's a popular and simple technique. It's a 2-row repeat that alternates single crochet stitches and chain 1 spaces across a row, with the following row worked by placing the single crochet stitches into the chain 1 spaces. And this method creates a softer fabric compared to straightforward rows of single crochet, giving it a somewhat solid appearance while still maintaining some openness. I've worked up this swatch to show you how pretty this stitch pattern is and how easy it is to do. We're going to start on our first row of our 2-row repeat by chaining 1, and then we'll just single crochet into the first single crochet of the previous row. Then we'll single crochet into the next chain 1 space, which is the very next space. Then we chain 1, skip the next stitch, single crochet into the next chain 1 space. Chain 1, skip the next stitch, and single crochet into the next chain 1 space. Chain 1, skip the next stitch, and single crochet into the next chain 1 space. Chain 1, skip the next stitch, and single crochet into the next chain 1 space. That leaves 1 single crochet, and we're going to do a single crochet into the top of that single crochet stitch from the previous row. And we'll turn. And for the second of our 2-row repeat, we start that with a chain 1, single crochet into the first single crochet, then we chain 1, skip the next stitch, and single crochet into the next chain 1 space. So you see what we're doing? We are alternating our single crochets and our chain 1 space. Now we chain 1, skip the next stitch, and single crochet into the next chain 1 space. Chain 1, skip the next stitch, single crochet into the next chain 1 space. Chain 1, skip the next stitch, single crochet into the next chain 1 space. Chain 1, skip the next stitch, and single crochet into the last stitch. And there you have it. How easy is that? That's all there is to the seed stitch. This stitch is great for adding texture and dimension to your projects. You can use it for cozy blankets, stylish scarves, light sweaters, or even hats. After making this swatch, I can't wait to try it on a nice summer or spring tee. What do you think you would like to make with this soft textured stitch pattern? Tell me in the comments below.